Welcome to Suntrust Verona, where the timeless romance of Italy meets the explosive economic growth of the south. We aren't just looking at a residential project, we are looking at a 62-hectare permanent vacation. Located in the rolling hills of Silang, Cavite, right along the Santa Rosa-Tagaytay Road, Verona sits in the Golden Corridor. You are 15 minutes away from the cool highlands of Tagaytay and 15 minutes from the booming, new Makati, of the south, Nuvali. For an investor, this location is gold. With the full integration of CALAX, Cavitex-Laguna Expressway, accessibility is at an all-time high, driving land values up by double digits year over year. You are investing in a gateway city that connects the industrial hubs of Laguna with the tourism capital of Cavite. Now, let's talk about the flagship of this community, the Luciana. The Luciana is a grand, two-story single-detached home spanning a generous 174.66 square meters of floor area. With minimum lot area of 176 sqm for our standard lot cut, it is designed for the discerning family that values both privacy and breathing room. The ground floor features an expansive open layout living and dining area, a guest room or home office, and a dedicated maid's room with a ceramic floor tiles. The second floor. This is your private sanctuary. It houses 3 massive bedrooms, including a master suite with its own private balcony, perfect for sipping coffee while looking at the silhouettes of the Tagaytay Ridge. The details. With 3 toilets and baths plus a powder room, the Luciana ensures that even during busy mornings, your family moves with ease. It's a home that grows with you, not one you outgrow. Our financing available bank and in-house financing as low as 15% down payment and good news. We have promo right now 24 months to pay at 0 interest and the 85% balance through bank or in-house financing. And if you want to avail a spot cash discount, we have 10% discount for our spot cash buyer if you pay the whole total contract price within 30 days from reservation days. And if you want to avail a 0 interest or deferred cash payment option, you may also opt at our deferred cash option 0 interest for 18 months to pay if you pay the whole total contract price in 18 months from our reservation date. But the value doesn't stop at your doorstep. Suntrust Verona is inspired by the city of Romeo and Juliet. The community is anchored by a stunning clock tower and a clubhouse that feels like a European villa. Residents enjoy a massive swimming pool, a basketball court for the active lifestyle, and beautifully landscaped Italian-themed gardens and bridgeways. There's even a lovelock garden, mirroring the one in Italy. For families, the proximity to prestigious schools like the Adventist University of the Philippines and shopping hubs like Vista Mall and Solinad means you have a high-end lifestyle without the Manila stress. Why invest in the Luciana today? Because in real estate, timing is everything. As of 2026, the shift toward urban living, rural beauty with urban convenience, is at its peak. The Luciana offers a high rental yield potential for staycations and long-term leases, paired with massive capital appreciation as Silang becomes more developed. You aren't just buying a house, you're securing a premium asset in a community that is designed to be timeless. In Verona, every day is a walk through a storybook. The question isn't whether you should invest, it's whether you'll get in before the next price increase. Contact me, Corasac Dalen, at your best real estate agent who assist you until your house turnover. Call us +6391750174771.